How to keep a man in 16 ways. So you found the right guy, the man of your dreams. You think that he's the one you want to spend the rest of your life with. You believe that he's your soulmate or the one whom God has for you. You feel blessed to have him by your side. Having him is one of your greatest achievements in life. But having someone is different from keeping him. The latter takes a lot of faith and effort. If you have found the right guy, here are 16 ways to keep him. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell for new video updates. Thanks for supporting our channel. 1. Trust him with all your heart. If you want to keep your man, don't treat him like just another guy who is unworthy of your trust. Most girls don't trust guys because of the general knowledge that men could not be trusted. However, if you trust your man, it will not only make him feel special and distinct from other guys, but it will also make you unique in his eyes. 2. Have a fear of losing him. If you want to keep your man, don't act like it's just okay to lose him. Instead, treasure him and make him feel valued. Show him how much you want him to be kept in your life. But of course, don't make it too much that you become too insecure and possessive. 3. Love yourself. If you want to keep your man, show him that his presence in your life brings growth and goodness to yourself. Take good care of yourself no matter what. Don't hurt yourself and blame the pain on him. 4. Have faith in him. If you want to keep your man, be confident in him. Believe in him. Make him feel that he's reliable and dependable. He's the man anyway. 5. Make him feel handsome. If you want to keep your man, don't make him feel ugly. Instead, make him realize that you are physically attracted to him and only to him. That kind of unique attraction would surely make him stick to you. 6. Make him feel he's the only one. If you want to keep your man, never cheat or even think of cheating. Men protect their egos so badly that they may even want to leave a woman in advance before she even commits cheating if they feel she'll likely do it. 7. Don't make him feel jealous. If you want to keep your man, don't make him feel jealous. Don't do foolish things like orchestrating any act just to make them jealous and prove their love to you. Jealousy is painful to the heart and brain. Do you think men like it when they get jealous? The answer is no. 8. Let him know and understand you. If you want to keep your man, let him see through your mind and heart. Be honest and transparent. Answer him when he asks you politely. It's not that he doesn't trust you, but it's because he's still striving to build his trust in you. 9. Be humble. If you want to keep your man, get rid of your pride, learn to admit your mistakes, and ask for forgiveness. Getting mad at him as a defensive strategy to cover up your sins is not cool and cute. It's ridiculous and irritating. 10. Make sacrifices. If you want to keep your man, make him feel your true love. True love is felt when you become selfless, when you think of him first before yourself. It will make him realize that you're a woman to keep for the long term. 11. Be calm and patient. If you want to keep your man, learn how to control your anger and manage your tantrums. Don't be a nagger who can endure living in a house with a nagger. 12. Be simply beautiful. If you want to keep your man, be simply beautiful in his eyes, mind, and heart. Be beautiful by his definition. You don't necessarily need to spend a lot of effort or money. Instead, think of what made him fall in love with you for the first time. It could be your sweet smile, your long hair, or simply your attitude. 13. Maintain an independent relationship with him. If you want to keep your man, don't let other people dictate matters in your relationship. Let the two of you decide what's best for your relationship, your partnership. If there are problems or fighting within it, try to resolve them on your own without letting other people interfere with it. 14. Be affectionate with him. If you want to keep your man, Give him the affection and love he deserves. Guys need your warmth to feel that they are not cold and alone. 15. Be responsible. If you want to keep your man, let him realize that you are ready for the future. Show that you are a mature woman, a responsible girlfriend, wife, or mother to his children. 16. Protect him. If you want to keep your man, keep him away from harm. Men also have weaknesses, and they need protection from their women. As a woman, you can protect him from darkness by giving him your guiding light. If he is tired and sad, learn how to comfort him. Men would likely stay with a woman with whom he can have a partnership of two souls, loving, protecting, and helping each other. It's up to you to follow the tips above. But if you want to keep a man, don't ignore them. Relationships take work. They don't just happen. And they certainly don't remain hot and spicy without some conscious effort. Darren G. Burden. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.